nature is driven by patience. Yes, so let's hold on to our patience for a little more time, and I'm sure we'll get back soon with the normal lives. Hello everyone, I'm Chef Tushar Malkani, Managing Director of Malkani Hospitality Private Limited and Culinary Tales in Mumbai. Today I'm going to teach you a very simple recipe which is Kenny style creamy potatoes. Come, let's have a look at the ingredients. So today we have maida that we've taken, we have butter, we have cream, we have milk, and we have diced mozzarella, we have processed cheese, we have some basil, celery, onion and garlic. A very simple recipe, and I'm using all Amul products. So for the sauce I'll be using Amul milk to make the sauce, the creamy sauce for this, and I'm going to finish up with your Amul fresh cream, and also I'm going to use Amul processed cheese and also the Amul mozzarella cheese. Supposing if you don't get the mozzarella in the market, but it is easily available, but then too you can even use the Amul pizza cheese. Come, let's start the procedure of making our sauce first. For that, I will take maida and butter, that is equal quantities of maida and butter. For this, I just heat my pan a bit. I'm just keeping all my ingredients ready. Once my pan is heated now, I'm going to add butter, as you can see the butter is getting melted. Now once the butter is melted, I'm going to add maida into it. And we will be cooking the maida. Remember not to brown it. You just have to cook the rawness of the maida. Now once the maida is done, what I'm going to do is simply take the whisk and start adding the milk. And whisk it so that it is a lump-free liquid. It's a very simple recipe. You just have to make a creamy sauce. You can see, you can just put the gas on a little bit slower side and just whisk it till the lumps are gone from your sauce. Very simple. Now you can see your gravy is, your sauce basically is granulated, and now once we just cook the sauce and the rawness of the milk. I'm just going to give it a small boil. You can see the sauce has become thick. Now simply I'm just going to strain the sauce. So once the sauce is strained, we'll keep it aside and then we'll go ahead with the procedure of basically cooking your sauce with the other ingredients that we have. You can see how I'm straining the sauce. Very simple recipe to do at home during this quarantine. It's just potatoes and your basic ingredients that you can use. Now you can see your sauce is ready. What I'll do is I'll take a separate pan now. Just heat the pan a bit. We'll again add some butter. We'll add some chopped onions in this. Nice amount of garlic. Chopped celery. And just saute it nicely till the onions become transparent. Once this is cooked nicely, you're going to add some fresh basil into it. You're going to add some oregano. That's basically your dried herbs that you get in the market. Some crushed peppercorns. Just cook it. After that, I'm just going to finish it off with some wine. If you don't have wine, you can avoid wine if you want to. You can still add some water and cook it. Wine gives a different flavor and a texture to your sauce. You want to add some wine. Your white wine basically. The aroma is very nice now. So once everything is cooked properly together, what we are going to do is the sauce that we strained, we are going to add the same sauce. And just cook the mixture with the sauce. You can even add a little bit of water to make it little thin so that it gets cooked evenly. I'm going to just add a little bit of water that I have kept on the side. You can see how smooth the sauce has become. cook it for some more time. On slow flame till it just gets a boil. Finally, we are going to add some salt into this for taste. Remember, always add a little less salt as you're going to add processed cheese into it, which already contains salt. Alright, you can see the sauce is almost ready. I'm going to just finish it off with some Amul fresh cream and your Amul processed cheese. Remember the difference between processed and pizza cheese? It's basically your Amul cheese. You can even use the Amul cheese cubes at home if you have, and just grate it and just put it inside. So we'll just switch on the gas again. Yeah. You can see it's become very creamy now in texture, and just going to give it a boil. And once the sauce is ready, what I have done with my potatoes is I'll just show you in some time once the sauce is ready. Very, very simple, creamy dish or a recipe that you can do in the house during this lockdown. And again, it's on a healthier version as it's baked completely in the oven. You have to just thicken it a bit. As you can see, the sauce is thick now. So what we are going to do is, now we'll start the process of layering it. As you can see, now these are my potatoes, which I have cut into thin slices. And what I have done is basically I had soaked, after cutting into thin slices, soaked it in normal room temperature water. So and then fried it crispily, so that you can see the texture of the potato, how thin it is. So you can just do a simple take a potato, just peel it off, just slice it, keep it in room temperature water for some time, and then just fry it and make it crispy. Now what we are going to do is, basically the sauce that we had kept on the side, you want to simply start layering it. You can see how you have a baked dish in the house, you can just use that. And then what we're going to do is crispy potatoes, you're just going to layer it next to each other, layer by layer, how you do your lasagna pasta basically. Then again the second layer of the sauce. And then the second layer of the potatoes. Very, very simple. And then the third layer of the sauce that I'm going to add. You can see the way we are layering every layer, and the final layer, there's a fourth layer of the potatoes. And the sauce again. Just spread the sauce evenly so that it covers your potatoes. You can use any baked dish that you have in the house, any kind of mold. And finally, we're going to just finish it off with your mozzarella cheese or your pizza cheese that, as I explained you. Your dish is ready, as you can see. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes till the upper crust is baked and it's golden brown. So let's put this in the oven. So we just wait for another 5 to 7 minutes, and then we are going to just remove it and the dish is ready to serve. I hope you all enjoyed this simple recipe, and you can always use Amul products in your house which are easily available in the market, and it's a very simple and a healthy recipe that makes your day. Remember always that the potato should be sliced thinly, because otherwise it's not going to get crispy and it's not going to get cooked. So this is something like a lasagna. This dish is something on a base of lasagna, but these are crispy fried potato chips kind of a thing that we are using in this and layering it instead of your pasta sheets. So it's again on a healthier side, and the sauce has got a little bit of twist in between because we are using a lot of other things other than your basic white sauce that we make in the house. So we are using a lot of herbs, fresh herbs that we are using to do this, and then we are baking it along with your mozzarella cheese or your pizza cheese, so that it gives you that pull or the stickiness into your baked dish. So just let me check on the dish whether it's baked or not, because I think it's already inside, and since my oven is already preheated at 300 degrees Celsius, so I think it should get done before 7 minutes. So just let me have a look at it and I'll get back. You can always serve this with garlic bread. You can always have it without even a bread, and that is what I feel. And just wait for another 5 minutes more, because I think it's almost getting done. And any questions if you all have, I can answer. I'll just check up on the oven right now. Just give me a moment. Yes, it's almost done. If you can see the dish, it is almost done. Your dish is ready. You can see the crust, how brown it is, and it's a nice baked dish that it's ready. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon.